Hello everyone, I am Saharsh Agrawal from section 17, first year IIT Kharagpur, and this is my DIY assignment 2. I have tried to make a smart home system where I have implemented 4 features. So, motion alarm system, automatic fan control system, automatic light control system, and distance sensor using ultrasound sensor. So, automatic door opening system. Each of them has a switch over here. So, I have used components like the piezo speaker, PIR sensor, DC motor, temperature sensor, photo assistor, a light bulb, the ultrasound distance sensor, and a micro servo motor. And to monitor, I have used LEDs, resistors, multimeters, and oscilloscope. And to connect them all, we have the Arduino Uno and a breadboard. So let us start the simulation and see. So all of the switches are on now, so all the features are on. So if we move something near the PIR sensor, the LED glows and the buzzer buzzes. Over here, if the temperature is less than 20 degrees Celsius, the fan turns off. If it is more, the speed adjusts itself according to the temperature. More temperature means more speed. We can see that the speed is changing, and we can notice the voltage applied across its end is also increasing. Next, we have the automatic light system. So this is a photoresistor. If it is a dark day or night, the light is less, and so the light bulb is on. If it is in the morning, in the day is bright, the light bulb turns off. And here, if someone is less than 50 centimeters from the door opens and closes after he moves away. We can also see the signal sent to the micro servo in the oscilloscope. When a person is near, the signal is more wider than when the person is far, so the servo door opens and closes accordingly. So this is the smart door system. So this is the code that we have, and if I copy this code into the Arduino IDE, we can see that the code compiles successfully, and I can then copy and paste this code into the actual Arduino and connect the components and run it accordingly. Thank you.